Hi, it's Awning Alice here from James Robert Shaw. Today we're going to be walking through how to adjust the arm position for the Puma Folding-Arm Awning. For this walkthrough, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 4mm Allen key. Send your awning out to 30cm. Having the awning in this position will enable you to see whether the arms will close smoothly into the cassette. Firstly, we will need to remove the end cap that covers the lateral end. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, undo the screw on the underneath of the end cap. Once removed, this is where you'll find the grub screw to adjust your arm position. Next, you will need the 4mm Allen key. Turning the Allen key clockwise will raise the position of the arm. Turning it anti-clockwise will lower the position of the arm. Please make sure that the grub screw is never fully loosened. Ensure that you make the same appropriate adjustments to the other side. Now close the awning to see if you've made the appropriate adjustments for it to close smoothly back into the cassette. Finally, refit your end cap. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any further questions or inquiries, please visit our website at www.jamesrobertshaw.co.uk or alternatively, give our sales team a call on 01204 574 764. I'm Awning Alice, over and out.